In this video, I will show you what happens when you run out of credits in Gamma AI and how you can manage your balance. I start on my dashboard and click on my credit count in the top right corner to see my account balance. As I can see here, credits are essential for creating and editing with AI, and each user in a workspace gets their own. To find out what happens when these run out, I check the official guidelines, which state that on a free plan, AI-powered generation like presentations and image creation will stop once I hit 0. However, I still keep access to all my existing projects so I can manually edit, rearrange, and export my work even without credits. Looking at the usage rates, creating with AI takes 40 credits, while adding a single card takes 5. It's crucial to remember that credits on the free plan do not refresh automatically. If I need more, I can click Upgrade to view the different tiers like Plus, Pro, and Ultra, which offer thousands of credits or even unlimited use. Alternatively, I can earn credits for free by clicking on the Refer a Friend tab. For every person who signs up using my link, I get 200 credits. I'll just copy my referral link here to share it. I can also invite a teammate to join my workspace and copy that invite link as well. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.